What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Fetch, wanted to give you my thoughts. I covered this yesterday as well, but over the course of today, I'm actually not sure if I covered this yesterday. Maybe it was the day before, but the main reason that I'm covering it right now is because we actually got some momentum. Or at least from this, in general, what's the situation for Fetch right now? You can also see that a bit with the lines I've drawn, but most of you know this. If you watch my videos, you know this is the situation. The situation is that we are consolidating right now between $2.95 and $3. I think that's the main resistance. And then this major support level between 2.5 and 2.35. We're like pretty strictly consolidating in that area since the beginning of March. We've had one fake out, but that's about it. Now, the main reason why I wanted to make this video earlier this morning, right now it seems to be getting a bit worse, but the main reason why I wanted to cover this is that we actually saw some pretty strong positions right here. I mean, you can see the open interest right here went up by quite a lot. Like in total, about $12 million in positions were being opened, which at that point of time is actually a pretty significant increase. So that in combination with the listing of Tau on Binance, I thought could create some momentum for AI cryptos again. Which is obviously interesting. At the very least, it's interesting. So yeah, but that I thought at least today that there was a higher chance of potentially breaking out above 2.85 and 2.95 at this point of time with what we're seeing right now, and especially also the reaction of Fetch to the small bearish momentum that we're getting from Bitcoin is just not great. All right, so even though I do think Bitcoin still has some sort of a chance to get bullish here, the only reason at this point of time I would see Fetch actually get a bullish breakout is if Bitcoin turns very bullish. And it seems most likely, if you look at the market structure, that Bitcoin will not turn very bullish. And even if Bitcoin turns very bullish, the Bitcoin dominance is that high that I don't feel comfortable with saying that Fetch will break out. All right, so if Bitcoin actually does turn bullish today, Fetch will probably rally up to that resistance at 2.85 and 2.95. But whereas earlier this morning I thought there was a chance that we could break out, I think the chance that that happens right now is very low. I think it's much more likely that we'll find resistance and drop back down to that trusted support level between 2.5 and 2.35. Because, I mean, this video might sound a bit negative, right? Because I don't think a massive rally or a massive bullish breakout is possible on the short term. But I also don't see a bearish breakout coming. I think the market, and especially Fetch, is strong enough to actually hold its own support. And Fetch long-term is amazing, right? Especially if it merges with Ajax and Ocean. I would say it's the number one AI project in crypto then, which you could argue that it already is right now. And I assume that AI in crypto will be much bigger. So then if people look for AI projects in crypto, once retail streams in, Fetch or ASI, which I think will be the new name, will be the main choice to buy. So I think long-term we're fine. And I think short-term we're also still doing fine compared to other cryptos, which have fallen down much more. I just don't see a bullish breakout happening. But yeah, so with that, this video is actually almost the same as the video yesterday or 2 days ago. A bullish breakout, it is possible if Bitcoin turns very bullish right here, or if we see some strong AI momentum. Otherwise, I would just assume that we will find resistance and drop back down to that bottom. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.